staircase, hagdanan. It's the same. You have to inform the blind person you are guiding, and naay hagdanan kami. Okay? Inform the visually impaired person about the change in movement. So stop right in front, kumuuni ang unang anghang. Again, una ka, saka kamay. Okay? Kung asa to rail, tangtang rail na sa left, hindi ka mabalhin sa right si Presley. Hawid si Presley sa pika sa kamot. Kung iyang pika sa kamot, ihawid sa rail sa hagdanan. And then you go up. So move forward to my balik tama, out balance. Half step forward, hapon ang guide, going up, and up. Okay? Always inform the person with visual impairment that you are going up in the stairs. Na ay tulo ka ang first, na ay lima ka ang medyo habu-habu, pantay. Okay. Thank you. Next. When approaching a doorway, okay, na ay purtahan. Okay? We need to let the person with visual impairment know asa ang door palilog. Forward ba or talikod. So mauna ko buhawid sa door. So pwede ko buhawid para sa pressing. Naman ko sa ka-freehand. I will open the door. So I will look forward, backward ang door. And then I will let pressing hold the handle. Okay? Para iyong feel forward or backward. Okay? And the same principles follow. Side by side, half step forward, and then you enter. Kung narrow ang door, then the same principle, tang sa likod, and Presley will follow behind the sighted guide. So that is naay doorway. Again, before makita sa pagpahan, we will let Presley know that there is a door coming. Okay? Master na si Presley ay board na siya ni lesson. For everybody na karoon pa naka-appeal orientation mobility, this is the first thing we teach. Okay? Before we teach them how to read, how to write, how to use white cane, we teach them orientation and mobility so that they will gain confidence and develop self-esteem. Remember, ako situation na nihatag ka kanina, bago ko na student, kanina, handlo, helpless. So this is one way of teaching them how to overcome the fear, how to gain confidence, and develop self-esteem. Next teacher, Dan, how to sit sa chair. Okay? Excuse me. So kung naakituan, let the person patulol, okay? Yan ang mahiran asa ang likuranan. Kinaasa ang likuranan sa tubangan na lingkod. Okay? Let them feel the backrest of the pahawid so that they will know na ang likuranan na sa tubangan na asa likod. Okay? Thank you, Presley. Next. Okay, so I think atong pagbakan si Presley